Dublan Blanco from Grupo Foccs Technologia, and you went to a CatCracking presentation?
Yeah, I did. Actually, I attended the really good one for me was the Expansion Joints presentation related to maintenance, design, and all the inspection and repair techniques. And actually, the presenter was really good, very good examples, you know, for people with not even knowledge on expansion joint, even for experts and expansion joints. And he covered all the topics, and it was really good for me because we are now getting involved with FCCU units, and particularly in expansion joints, repairs, etc. So that was really good.